Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best bench cushions that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Classic Accessories 54 by 18 by 3 inch patio bench. This particular product would be suitable for your patio bench. It has a comfortable design and it would be suitable for your use. It is available with a 1-year limited warranty, so if you are searching for a product like this one, you can take a look at this product. It is rectangular in shape, so when selecting a product like this, you might have some features in mind. It would be best if you check the details to get more information on the features and dimensions. It's a 3-layered foam. It would be best to see the customer reviews to get an idea about the performance of this product. At number 4, Classic Accessories Montlake Water. Classic Accessories Montlake Cushion Collection is offered in multiple colors and sizes and is made with fade-safe solution dyed fabric to ensure that colors last in all conditions. Montlake Fade-Safe fabric uses a high-denier polyester to give you maximum comfort and lasting performance. High-quality foams use a dense core with a softer outer layer to provide just the right amount of give for a firm but comfortable surface. These cushions provide a fashion-forward look with durable materials to make your patio space appealing and inviting whenever you want to go outdoors. When you buy a Classic Accessories patio cushion, you are not just getting a cushion, you're also purchasing lasting comfort and peace of mind. Not only will your patio cushions be protected from the elements, but you'll be protected with the easiest warranty in the industry. At number 3, Pillow Perfect Indoor Forsythe Pool Tufted Loveseat Cushion. This particular product is available in turquoise color and is composed of 100% polyester. It is designed in such a way that it would be suitable for your indoor or outdoor use. It is designed to be comfortable, and in order to clean, you have to spot clean it. It has a durable design. When you have to select from a huge variety of similar products, it would be tough, but you can always check the customer reviews for more information. Plus, looking at the product, and especially if there is a video available, can give you enough information about the product. At number 2, Classic Accessories Ravenna Water Resistant. This particular product is available in dark taupe and is rectangular in shape. It would be suitable for your patio bench. You can use it for outdoor use as you would be keeping your patio furniture outside. When selecting such items, it's a good idea to learn about the durability. To get this idea, you can see what other people have to say, especially those who are already using this product. Because of the water repellent coating, it would keep the rain stains at bay. So if you have been searching for a product like this one, you can take a look. The cushion foam is 3-layered to provide you more comfort. At number 1, Winsomboris Bench. This particular product is available in espresso color and is rectangular in shape. It is an imported product and is designed for indoor use. When you are selecting such items, it's a good idea to know whether it would be the right fit or not. Using this product would provide you comfortable padding to the different areas of your home. You have to be sure whether it would go with your bench or not. It's important to figure out the details in advance before you make the final purchase. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.